Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today, we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This set fits the 2001 to 2010 PT Cruiser, all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by SENSEN when replacing your worn-out struts. These Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN come with a limited lifetime warranty. SENSEN uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, a 10mm socket, 21mm socket and wrench, and a 13mm socket. You will also need a hammer or a mallet.
What I'm going to do is remove this bracket here covering these bolts for the upper strut. Just 2 10mm bolts right here. Trying to just get it out of the way. It's where you can access the bolts. 19mm. What I'm going to do is unhook the ABS wire. Just pulls right out. Make sure there's nothing else attached here, which looks like we're good except this ground bracket right here. It's 10mm.
Okay, I didn't see it. I gotta get this one. I wish I had keeper lift for this car. I don't think my lift will go in there.
Free to go to remove these 2 bolts here. The 21mm on both sides.
I ain't gonna go in there.
Now is thread the nut back on to where it's flush on the end. brace it, not let it kick out on you. Strut off. Front side. Lower it into the upper bolts. They're going to be 13 millimeter, 3 of them. Get to the last one, don't remove it all the way, just leave a little bit to brace it so it won't crash. Sort of kind of support the strut and remove them down. This back on. Just wire it out from underneath there. Okay. What you want to do is push in on this. Try not to pull this too far because you could pull the axle out. So try to do it. Yep. Not too far. There. Oh, somewhat close. Tap them lightly. tight. I don't see a clip on there. And the bracket. Alright. I have to remove this bracket that these ABS wire hooks into. So you just switch it right over to the new one. That's also a 10mm on both of them bolts. Just like that.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation video on a 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Be sure to look for our rear shock installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for their professional installation.